Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Zamara group. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar, type in zamaragroup.com and press enter on a keyboard. Zamara is a financial service firm that primarily offers actuarial services, pensions administration, and consulting and insurance brokerage service. From the official webpage, scroll all the way down and under online services, click on Zamara online portal. Now go to the upper right hand corner and click the sign in button. If you don't have an account yet for Zamara group, click the create account button and follow through the on-screen prompts. After clicking on the sign in button, you'll be taken to a new page. In this page, enter your username and your password in the login area. Type in your username first and then head over to the next field and type in your password. If you don't remember your password during the process, click on the forgot password link and follow through the on-screen prompt. After filling in your details, click the login button. After you click the login button on the next page, you'll need to verify with a one-time password. Simply enter the one-time password sent on your mobile device or your email and you'll be able to get access to your account. That is how you can easily log into your Zamara account on a web browser. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.